Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm in my storage, photographers and filmmakers, and I'm doing some cleaning repairs to my tripod. So, every 6 months and every once in a year, I do 2 repairs. Make sure, and I want you to see what's on the tripod legs over time. Look at this. Over time, on tripod legs, this is why it gets a little stiff. So make sure you have WD-40, make sure you have a lubricant, and mind you, 2 cloths, because this is going to be your dirty cloth, and your new cloth, you're going to put some lubricant on it, and it's going to wipe down the carbon fibers a little bit, not just a very little amount, and you're going to spread that little amount, and you're going to up and down, so it's nice and smooth. Yeah, so, gear repair time. So this is the arc size or Monoro tripod. This is the AC80C, and I just took it apart because I'm doing some repairs and some lubrication to everything. So give it a nice refresh start. Alright, I'm going to be adding some lubricant to the base. So what I'm going to do is take some lubricant, just take a little tiny amount, just a little bit. You know, just gonna add it. Just a little bit. Spread that all around that base. Ooh, yeah, butter that baby up. Ooh. I also want you to lube. Yeah, the thread. Not too much. That's enough. It's not winter, but still. Just a little bit, not too much. That's it. Alright, you see when I clean the base, this is the base for the tripod, and I just lots of dirt, so you want to clean that out. Yeah, see that? Oh yeah. Now that I got this oil out with WD-40, trying to wipe out some excess dirt from this. Yeah, see how much dirt came off that? Just gonna spray one more time, just a dab. Yeah, just a dab. Then take our finger, spread that oil, take some WD. Take that lubricant, just a little bit of lubricant, spray that inside the joint area, get that all nice and buttered up for you. And as you can see, I'm going to be threading this on now. I wish this had a hook. Okay. Just give that a nice wipe down because it feels oily. Okay, we're done. I do have an adapter that came with this that gives me the rotation to tilt, but I normally don't use it because I already have a tilt hub and I like my horizon to be flat. So, because the tilt acts like a ball head, and I'm not a really big fan of a lot of ball heads, so take it with a grain of salt. So now I'm cleaning the joint. I'm going to be cleaning these joints. Taking these off to see if there's any rust. Yeah, it seems like there's some rust in here on this side. So I'm going to get a brush. Put some WD-40 and some lube. Now I'm cleaning the excess lube around the joints. Let me show you real quick how we're cleaning these joints, making sure because this is a Sunwayfoto product, and they sent this out to me, and this is one of the best products in my opinion. So I like to make sure I do some repairs to it. Alright, so I'm going to add the DDH07 from Sunwayfoto. I'm going to add it to this rail. I know I don't really need it, but I do kind of need it. If I ever get a tilt shift lens once again, or let's say I'm off on an image, the best thing I can do with this is slide it to the left or slide it to the right. Alright, lock that place in. Look how steady that looks, bro. Yeah, and get the shot. So I can use this as a tilt shift. Or lock this in, and so I don't have to twist or turn the base on my two-way Sunwayfoto tilt head. So I can always turn this. But then again, I always got options for a second option. As you can see, more options. But here's the best part. This is the Sunwayfoto. What is this? The DPG 80DRL. This is just a quick release arc Swiss, but I attach a Nulong Z quick release plate on here. So the best part about this is I also can mobilitize my mobile cinema camera to go on here as well. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Maven Filter product review. Today we're going to talk about the Maven Filter step-up magnetic system. Now, I don't have a glow filter for my micro lens, which is 77 thread. So, Maven Filters was kind enough to send me one of their magnetic step-up rings, which is pretty cool. This is a 77 to 95, so I can utilize my 95 threads filters onto my 77 just like that. I'm going to leave my Maven Filter affiliate if you want to choose to buy Maven Filters to make your life much easier as a photographer and videographer. To understand your filters, please understand these are called nodes, and you must understand these nodes. So when you're shooting at night and you want to fill your filters, you understand which filter that you're touching, and you can get it from your bag. That is why Maven Filters created this system. But with that said, everyone, I'm out of here. See ya.